So today we're going to analyze 46 million taxi rides in under 4 seconds, and we'll do it right in Excel. You might think that we'll be using Power Query for this, but unfortunately, Power Query doesn't support the Parquet file format, which is the format here delivered by the TLC trip record data, which is the data from the New York City Taxi and Limousine Commission. So what I've done is I've downloaded the yellow taxi trip record data for the last 12 months and put it into my local taxi folder here. And as you can see, each file is around 60 to 70 megabyte. I still find SQL to be the most comfortable way to analyze data, so what we're going to do is to use DuckDB for this. To make all of this work, all you need to do is to install the free add-in xlwings Lite that you can find here in the add-in store. Previously, I went to Files and Local Folders and mounted that taxi data folder here under the taxi path. For now, we're just looking at the single file here from January 2025. Let's take a quick look at the data by running the explore function. The explore function makes a simple select statement to count the number of rows, and then also a describe statement to see how the database is structured. And so here you can see that the January file has roughly 3.5 million records, and this is basically the database schema, is the different columns that the Parquet file offers. Now let's ask Wingman to run this analysis over all the Parquet files that are in that folder. And we have connected the Wingman here to the Claude Sonnet 4.6 model. You can also use your own hosted model. You can use any of the major providers here. And as it looks like, the change was really simple. So like instead of pointing it to the January file, we just use a globbing pattern here. So like the star that then will go through all the taxi data files. So now let's see what we can do to create a report from this. And we have this function below it. Again, it reads the Parquet file. This time it goes through all the 12 files. And then we have a simple SQL query down here in DuckDB that aggregates all the data on an hourly basis. So we can see on an hourly basis throughout the year what's, how many trips are done in each hour and how long that average trip distance is. And then we're going to add a bit of, of report features here, like a title and, a plot. So we just click that button, give it a couple of seconds, and we should have the report here appear on the side. And so as you can see, it took for more than 46 million records, it took not even 4 seconds to add a report, which, tells us that the number of trips are lowest in the morning at 4 to 5 a.m. and then most of the trips are done during rush hour here around 5 to 7 p.m. in the afternoon. And below here you can see that the average trip distance peaks when we have the lowest number of trips here in the morning. Now, when we go back to the code here, let's just say, you're new to SQL, you're new to DuckDB, you may need some explanations here. So just go to Wingman, say, explain this query. hit enter, and then hopefully we'll get some useful explanations of what's going on here. Specifically, you may be wondering, why there is this where trip. And over here you can see the explanation that Wingman gave us. So to filter out bad data, it's basically sanitizing the raw data that we get from TLC. And that's really it. So, make sure to subscribe to the xlwings channel if you want to learn more about modern Excel workflows.